Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair gained 1% in the last session after rising as much as 1.3% during the session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
China's crude oil imports from Russia rose 8.6% in April from a year earlier, as larger private refiners also embarked on purchases of the discounted fuel. Arrivals from Russia, including seaborne shipments and supplies via pipelines, totaled 1.73 million barrels per day. China's economic recovery is losing a step after an initial burst in consumer and business activity earlier in the year, prompting calls for more policy stimulus to bolster growth. The US dollar has rallied 2% over the past 2 weeks after opening 2023 on a long losing streak, powered higher by its safe haven appeal.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1400 hours GMT. The Dutch Consumer Confidence ADJ will be released at 04:30 GMT, the Eurozone's construction output at 0900 hours GMT, the UK's Rightmove House Price Index at 2300 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.